What else here? Oh my god. I can't say because there are many lot more things to say. I don't know where to start and where to end up. Just I'm showing you my uh, surroundings over here, how it was. Even though I don't have network or anything over here, just I'm calling to my parents once and I'm telling that I was here. It's here. It's like this. This tradition was this. I had this kind of food. That's it. And I'm not attending my classes in 3 days. To write my exam, I went to Hebri. I said right, 8.5 kilometers. I went there in my relative, not relative, my friend house. I wrote exam there and I was came back. Yeah, I thought of showing you one still. That is the entrance. See, this is full deep forest. Western Ghats. From here, Agumbe is a second highest rainfall place, which is like around 19 kilometers from here. See. Yeah. This is the place where we stay. See how. Get the paddy strains to keep fire. There you can see to keep fire. That is a washroom and a cow shed. Solar. This is our house. Here mainly ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ బీటిల్ నట్స్ గ్రో చేస్తారు. రైట్, ఐ షో యూ బీటిల్ నట్స్. See, these are the beetle nuts. చెట్టు నుంచి అప్పుడే కోసారు. ఐ షో యూ ద ప్లాంట్ ఆల్సో. కోసిన బీటిల్ నట్స్ ఇవి కట్ చేసి డ్రై చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఇవి ఇలా ఉంటాయి పచ్చిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు, డ్రై చేసినప్పుడు ఇలా అవుతాయి. దెన్ దే విల్ కట్ అండ్ దే విల్ సెల్. ఈచ్ బీటిల్ నట్ కాస్ట్ ఫర్ 2 rupees. ఇవి కూడా బీటిల్ నట్సే. A little bit of drizzle was there in the night, so just they covered it. The water which I drink, which I was taking bath for 3 days, is this water. Yeah, this is the water which I was drinking from 3 days. See the house. See. Coconut. This is arachnid. I'll show you. Actually, I thought of showing the video how they water the plants with sprinklers and sprinklers, but it was heavy wet, so I couldn't come. So that is the reason I'm shooting you now. See. I want to show you arachnid. Yeah. Here you go. This is arachnids, which are raw arachnids. Here comes the coconut. Yeah. ఇదంతా మా రిలేటివ్స్ వీళ్ళది. రిలేటివ్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళదే ఈ ప్లేస్ అంతా. లైక్ 5 acres of land. See, these are baby arachnids. Yeah. అక్కడ దే పుట్ ఇక్కడ హెవీ హీట్, sunlight will be more and the hot conditions are very heat, so that baby arachnid plants cannot grow. అందుకనే వాళ్ళు that kind of, what is that, as a protection కింద అవి పచ్చివి కోసి plants surrounding పెట్టారు. When sun comes directly, sunfall doesn't go onto the plant, so it will survive. After this is the first stage, this is the second stage plant, this is the third stage plant. See, coconuts. Yeah. See, I will show you Agumbe Ghat. Yeah. Here on the hills at that place, that location is called Agumbe Ghat, where this is the world's second largest rainfall forest. And one more thing is, there we can see a sunset. It is a place famously known for sunset. See, it is how beautiful. Nothing you can find surrounding over here. Yeah. This is called I don't know the name actually. Soppu something. మనం తోటకూర పాలకూర ఎలా తింటామో వీళ్ళు ఇది తింటారు, ఈ సొప్పు. ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. దే ఈట్ దిస్ టు దిస్ ఎవ్రీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లీఫ్ దే పుట్ పల్య అంటే like viguru not like a sort kind of vegetable. They sort that and they prepare vegetable. They put in dal, papaya. See how beautiful it is. I had here cucumber, chili and coconut and jackfruit was not here. We brought it from the store. It is very good.